forest is waking up, Father.
Watch the orange fur against the green. He is there.
Drink quickly. The shadows are growing long.
We have returned before the night took the path.
His fur was like the setting sun itself, moving through the leaves.
We do not hunt the great ape. He is the spirit of the high canopy.
A hunter's strength is only as good as his tools, little one.
This tree has much life inside it for our family.
He watches. We work in his shadow with respect.
Clear the outer bark first. The white heart is what we need.
He is the old one. He knows this tree better than we do.
You have worked well. The fire is ready for the baking.
We must climb before the rain clouds gather.
The forest provides, and the spirits watch over us.
The storm has passed. The forest is clean again.
I found in the mud.
The storm takes, but it also gives. We shall bring these to your mother.
Do not rush the climb. The wood is still damp from the night rain.
You have brought a sweet gift from the floor. The little one will be happy. Careful, child. These fruits are soft, but the seeds must be saved.
Tomorrow, we go where the trees touch the clouds. The sago there is older. The mist is heavy today. We must move with extra care.
Listen. The old one is already awake.
Little one. Not too much water. The starch must be thick.
He is the spirit of the canopy. He knows our paths.
He has gone to the high nests. We must reach the sago groves before the sun is at its peak.
This one is heavy with starch. It will feed the village for many moons.
Look, Mother. It is as white as the clouds.
The forest has given. Now we must work before the insects find the heart.
The water is cold today. Rest your arms. The pith is hard, but the rewards are sweet.
Secure the straps well. The climb will be long with this burden.
The old one watch us. The harvest is pure and heavy.